Right, here we are again, ladies and germs. If you remember from the last video, screwed down the pick guard and I thought, oh no, I forgot to put these in. So I unscrewed it, put the things in, but then I discovered and worked out, if I did it that way, it doesn't fix down here. There's a big bulge. So screw it down and then put these things on. In, not on. Well, depending I suppose. But here we go. So I done that. I think it was a bit of a disadvantage and a bit silly. So if you want to do anything in here, instead of being able to take the whole scratch plate or pick guard or whichever you like to call it. You have to take the pick outs out, and well, you know what I mean. But of course, if you get a bolt, screw it in here, it will eventually hit the body and raise this up. Anyway, let's get to the gubbins, shall we say. Now here we have two wires with two connectors. These apparently fix in here. I'm not going to push it in now because you never know what's going to happen. And of course, if you get them wrong, pull them out and turn them around. It's got various bits and pieces on here. If these pots are not good enough, we'll always change them around for something else. We've got a mark on there, some kind of maker's name. Obviously not a brand name, but if they work, they work. And if they don't work so well, you can always change them. So we'll come back in a bit. Well, unless you're going to click off now, we'll come back in a bit and see how it goes. So we've got the selector switch in, but as you can see, not quite long enough to get the jack plug in. Now, of course, I can unsolder these, be easier, and try to extend them and see how that goes. I'll try not to do that if I don't have to. That of course can restrict these. And what first fag of the project already. Dear oh dear. At least she who must be obeyed is not here. I'm not here to say you're doing all that wrong, what are you doing? Yes, I have done the washing up, I have done the hoovering, dear. But never mind. Whatever you say. But I don't know. The question I was asked a little, well, I think the last video was, where is the ground wire? It's here, and you poke it through this bit and you can ground it onto the tailpiece. Whether I should actually put the ferrule thing and bash it in there now, or to put these bits in first, is definitely going to be well, trial and error. Another little problem. Getting these in. Aha! Blimey. I don't want to force them, but it seemed to have worked out. So I'll go at this one. lots of... Aha! Now, how to get these out if necessary. We'll have to cross that bridge if and when we come to it. Now, do we go to the moment of truth? Does it work? Okay, we're in, we're on. And nothing. Nothing at all. We'll try again. We'll have a little look. Ah, something. Wrong way round. Nothing. Got something wrong with this pickup. And just, if you have seen the previous video, there was a problem with one of the wires. So obviously we're going to have to explore that possibility. But at least we've got one working. Whichever one. Ha! And all the wrong way round. Nothing's up. That sounds, well, of course I could always take this one out completely and have a kind of a junior version. I can say some people get really confused and really say, what are you spending money on that for? I'm beginning to think they're the same way. But that's it for now, unless we'll take some action of another kind. First off, just to see if we have everything fully in. Now, these are the wrong way round, but there doesn't seem to be enough stretch in these to get it to there. We'll just have to see how it goes. I have got some wire that can be, well, that's shrink wrapped, which I haven't got a shrink wrapper, or even some of the stuff that you can even shrink wrap stuff. Tubing? Cable? No, it won't be cable because there's nothing in the middle, is it? So, is everything working? Turn the amp on again and see what happens here. And I suspect nothing. Got your headphones on, I hope? So it's not that one. So we can fix that one up again. Or, I don't know, perhaps if we swap this round and see then if there's actually a problem with this. So we can I think it's turned up. I have to do something about this. You're thinking now, you're glad you're not me. So, we have a problem with this pickup. I do suspect it is the yellow wire, which a bit of insulation tape didn't do much good for. But we'll go back and just see what the I don't know, maybe if I put this one in as well, some good may come out of it, or not, as the case may be. You never know. This is obviously an educational channel. If I'm doing something, don't do it. And these two are the wrong way round as well. So pick up trouble there. Okay, that's it. Suppose a little shout out for those who are in need of professional help and actually subscribe to this channel. All 82 of you now. So well done those who sub, and even better done those who don't. Oh dear. We'll figure this out sometime and just see how it goes from there. Right, for now, that's it. Actually, we're back again. Earlier on, you cannot screw this down while first putting on these for the bridge, because it bends over like so. So the only way it's got here is to put these in last, and now you cannot take the thing out, take the scratch plate out. So we'll come to that in a bit. That wasn't too bad. Yep. Trouble at mill. Or in this case, trouble at pickup. This is, to use a technical term, buggered. It'd be a lot more easy to actually put a different pickup in here, unless someone's got some bright ideas, and we can take it from there. Or just do not connect this up and just have the bridge pickup. Easier in the long run, but hey, I'm going to need plenty of this. This ain't too bad of stuff if you can get it your way. Luckily it's I've never seen it on pump, so after leaving a pub your legs could still work. Have mercy on our souls. Well, I've had this kind of semi-bright idea. Yes, good job we were sitting down when I said that. Instead of mucking about, figuring out how to put a new pickup in, I'll get in touch with Towman and see if they can send me a new one. Wonders will never cease. Maybe